What's going on, everybody, and welcome to CS5 Unmasked. Today I'm going to be showing off my Dream Sequence Jason costume from Friday the 13th Part 5, A New Beginning. Now, even though this particular version of Jason is only seen for a few minutes at the beginning of the movie, I still remember having nightmares when I was a kid watching it for the first time. So this costume definitely needed to be made. So if you have any suggestions for costumes you'd like for me to make in the future, let me know in the comment section down below. Alright, so this is my version of the Dream Sequence Jason from Friday the 13th Part 5, A New Beginning. Okay, say hi, everybody. Hi. Say hi. Good boy. Good boy. Dude, this thing is so hot to wear.
I'm dying. I can't imagine how you're going.
This is like murder. So hot in this damn thing. Alright, thank you for stopping by and checking out the video, and I really hope you like the costume that I made. So if you yourself have any suggestions for costumes you'd like me to make in the future, let me know down below. Alright, until next time, this is CS5 signing out, and I hope to see you in the next video.